Hello and welcome. My name is Rehan. I am an IELTS trainer and I am here to present another great opportunity for the people who are completely messed up with their IELTS speaking exam preparation. I am going to tell you a step by step process. It's for the people who are anxious about their speaking exam and they are still not finding a right speaking partner. It's also for those who are approaching near to their exam. So if you want to gain mastery in your IELTS speaking, this step by step process is for you. At the end of this video, I am coming up with a great surprise for you people. So watch the video till the end to completely resolve your speaking issues. If you still don't subscribe my channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Are you ready? Let's start. The step-by-step process with the help of which you can practice speaking at home without the help of a speaking partner is divided into 8 steps. So what you have to do, you have to follow this 8-step process. IELTS speaking exam is scored on the 4 basic criteria as per Cambridge. So you have to practice speaking step by step with every criteria for 1 and 2 minutes to solve your speaking problems. So what are these 4 criteria? Number 1 criteria is fluency and coherence. Second one is lexical resource or vocabulary. Third one is grammatical range and accuracy. And the last one is pronunciation. Step number 1 is start listening to the standard English source. You have to make it a habit to listen to standard English source for 15 to 20 minutes daily. What you can listen? You can listen to BBC News, BBC Radio, podcasts such as Stitcher and different TED Talks. You can also listen to actual British Council Band 7, Band 8, Band 9 speaking tests. Step number 2 is start your practice with IELTS speaking part 2 question. Take any part 2 IELTS speaking question and start speaking for 1 minute while timing yourself with a recorder. After that, you will listen to your speaking issues. You will repeat this step from step 3 to step 7. In step 3, you have to fix your speaking fluency issues. In this step, after repeating step 2, you will listen to your fluency issues and notice repetition, hesitation, slow speech, fast speech and pauses in your conversation. The key to fluency is that you have to speak at a moderate rate. You can improve your fluency by 2 methods. You can improve physical side to fluency by reading a text out loud, and you can do this with the help of Q prompter. You can also improve physical side to fluency by listening a song, mimic it and repeat it by singing in your own voice. You can improve mental side to fluency by learning English in phrases. In step 4, you have to fix your speaking coherence and cohen issues. In this step, after repeating step 2, you will listen to your coherence issue. You will use uncommon linkers in your speech instead of common linkers, and these uncommon linkers will be however, as well as, although, and you will also notice flexible use of advanced discourse markers such as furthermore, moreover, to be honest in your speech. After practicing, you will be able to use these connectives and discourse markers flexibly in your speech. In step 5, you will fix vocabulary issues in your speaking. In this step, after repeating step 2, you will listen to your vocabulary issues and you will fix them by using a range of words, collocations, phrasal verbs, idiomatic vocabulary, paraphrasing in your speaking for a particular topic. After practice, vocabulary issues will be resolved. Note that you have to remember at least 5 new words for a particular topic, and you can learn the technique for remembering vocabulary through my channel video How to Get Band 9. In step 6, you will fix grammatical range and accuracy issues in your speaking. In this step, after repeating step 2, you will listen to your grammatical range and accuracy issues such as usage of complex sentences along with simple sentences, usage of different verb tenses, and generation of a majority of error-free sentences without preposition, word form, and article mistakes. After practice session, you will be able to resolve these issues in your speaking. For grammar, learn different phrases for every topic, and this will also improve your band up to 7. Step 7, you will fix pronunciation issues in your speaking. In this step, after repeating step 2, you will listen to your intonation. And what is intonation? Basically, it's ups and downs in your speech. You will also notice word stress and connected speech. You can improve your pronunciation by listening to the songs, mimicking these songs, and after noticing intonation, word stress, and connected speech in these songs, you can repeat them. When you will practice a lot on all these things, you will notice that you have drastically improved your pronunciation. So that's it, your pronunciation issue is resolved. Now in step 8, I am going to reveal the surprise package which I promised you at the start of the video. Boom! We are offering free speaking evaluations. For the speaking evaluation, what you have to do, when you're convinced that you are now pretty much comfortable with your speaking, you can send us your recorded responses at our email ieltspositiveedge@gmail.com, and you can use an online voice recording tool vocaro.com. What we will do, we will assess your speaking, and I assure you, by following these steps, your speaking will be improved and you no longer need a speaking partner. You also don't need to hire a teacher for this purpose. So what we are offering, basically we are solving your core problem to find a speaking partner, and it's no longer needed. Free speaking assessment with feedback, we are also providing this. Thirdly, you don't need to hire a teacher for your speaking assessment, and we are doing it for you, and you will get your feedback. One thing to remember here is that IELTS speaking test is an informal speaking test. So being formal and to appear in the exam with memorized answers will hurt your score. You will be assessed on the average performance of speaking part 1, speaking part 2, and speaking part 3, and not on the basis of any individual part. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Blogspot, and Anchor.fm. Thank you for joining today's class. We will wait for your speaking responses at our email address ieltspositiveedge@gmail.com. Don't forget to mention your full name, phone number, speaking band requirement, city name, country name in the body paragraph of your email.